In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Jotform in Wix. Let's dive right in and streamline the process of integrating one of the most versatile online form builders, Jotform, into your Wix website. Whether you're aiming to collect feedback, conduct surveys, or simply looking for a seamless way to gather responses, Jotform's integration with Wix is a straightforward process that enhances your website's functionality and user engagement. First, launch your favorite web browser and head over to Jotform's official website. Jotform's platform is known for its ease of use and versatility in creating custom forms. Upon arriving at the landing page, look for the login button. This is your gateway to accessing your Jotform account. If you haven't set up an account yet, now would be a great time to do so. For those who prefer a quicker route, Jotform offers the option to log in using Google or various other platforms, making the process incredibly streamlined. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the My Forms section. Here, you'll find all the forms you've created or have access to. This is where the magic happens. Hover over the form you wish to embed into your Wix site and click on More. A series of options will appear, but what you're really looking for is the Publish Form button. Clicking on this will take you to a screen where Jotform showcases various platforms you can publish your form on. Among the options, you'll find platforms. This is your next stop. Look for Wix among the platforms listed and select it. Jotform knows you're looking to simplify your workflow, so it conveniently offers a copy code option. Click on this to copy the embedded code for your selected form. Now it's time to switch gears and head over to Wix. The Wix website builder is designed to be intuitive, so finding your way around should be straightforward. Once you're in the Wix editor for your website, look for the option to add elements. This is typically found on the left sidebar of the editor interface. Within the vast array of elements you can add, there's a search function to help you find exactly what you need. Simply type in code, and among the results you'll find an option to embed code. This is precisely what you're looking for. Select the option to embed HTML. A box will appear on your web page where you can paste the code you copied earlier from Jotform. This box is a placeholder for your form, and once you paste the code, the form becomes part of your web page as if it was always meant to be there. The final step in this process is to click on Update. This action ensures all the changes you've made are saved and that the embedded form will display correctly on your Wix website. Congratulations, you've successfully integrated a Jotform form into your Wix site. This means your website now boasts a custom form tailored to gather the information or feedback you need from your visitors. Whether for contact forms, registrations, surveys, or any other form-based interaction, embedding Jotform into Wix enhances your site's functionality and engagement with your audience. Don't forget to preview your website to see the form in action and ensure everything looks and works as expected. Adjusting the form's placement or size might be necessary to ensure it fits well within your site's design. Remember, the key to a successful form is not just its functionality, but also its accessibility and harmony with your website's aesthetics. By following these steps, you've not only enriched your website with a powerful tool, but also taken a step forward in engaging with your audience in a meaningful way. Whether you're collecting feedback, signing up volunteers, or just keeping in touch with your community, a well-placed form can make all the difference. That wraps up our tutorial for today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to maximize your website's potential. Happy form building, and see you in the next video.